Hi friends! It's nice to see a friendly face here in the galactic abyss. Speaking of friendly faces, your face, it's beautiful. I want to make it into a mask. That's right. Prepare your eyebrows to take a little break from doing all the heavy lifting in the expressions department, because today we're going to be making face masks. This craft is sure to put a smile on your face. That's a joke that's going to be hilarious in 30 seconds. Things that you'll need for this project are scissors, elastic, wire, one lighter piece of fabric, and one lining, iron-on transfer paper, an iron, a sewing machine, photo editing software, and a straight-on selfie. Gather your things and let's go make this. First, we'll need to prep our file. You'll need a little bit of graphic design skills for this part, but don't be discouraged. I'm going to put a template up so you can just drag and drop your selfie onto the template. Once you uploaded your photo, just cut out everything else and print it onto your iron-on sheet. You should have something like this. Now that you have your iron-on transfer, it's time to cut this out and get it onto your lighter fabric. Now that your iron-on transfer is on your fabric, it's time to make your mask. I'm going to cut my two pieces out first. Cut out your front and your lining. Sew 2 darts by the nose and 2 by the chin. That way you can get more of a perfect fit. This is gonna be so weird. Add your wire, flip it inside out, add elastic to the ends, clean up your edges, and now give it a test try. Oh, that's so scary. So weird. Ta-da! Now you don't have to miss seeing whole faces for the sake of safety. Whew, that was so fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If there's a project that you think I should tackle, just leave it in the comments below. Be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!